A piece of iron has a volume of 14 centimeters cube and a mass of 34 grams. Calculate the density of iron in A. Grams per cm cube, B. Kilogram per meter cube. Okay, let's solve it. So solution. We have our volume to be 14 cm cube and our mass to be 34 grams. So A, we have to find density in cm cube, and the unit is what we want, so we don't have to change it again. And the formula for finding density is mass over volume. Yeah. So the value for mass is 34, and the value for volume is 14. So 34 divided by 14 will give you 2.4. 2.4 grams per cm cube. Okay, let's move on to B. So question B, we have to find density in kilogram per meter cube. So we have to change the unit of the volume from cm cube to meter cube, and the unit for mass from grams to kilogram. So let's do the mass first. But 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So 34 grams is what? Let's make it M. So M will be, by using cross multiplication, will be 34 times 1 over 1000. So 34 times 1 over 1000 will give us 0.034. So 0.034 kilogram. Don't forget to write the unit. Okay, let's convert the volume. We already know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. But what we have here is centimeter cube, meaning you have to multiply the 100 by itself 3 times. So 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters, which is equal to 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter. So multiply 100 by 100 by 100 will give us 1 million cm cube, which is equal to 1 times 1 times 1 will also give us 1 meter cube. So this means that 1 million cm cube will give us 1 meter cube. So therefore 14 cm cube is what? We don't know, so let's use V. By using cross multiplication, V is equal to 14 times 1 over 1 million, which will give you 14 times 10 exponent minus 6 meters cube. Okay, let's continue. And we know density to be mass over volume. So we had the mass to be 0.034 and the volume to be 14 times 10 exponent minus 6. Let's use our calculator. So 0.034 divided by 14 times 10 exponent minus 6. This will give us 2428.57 kilogram per meter cube. Thank you. Bye bye.